What's up guys? How are you all? Here again, Anjo TV. To this video ay tayo po'y mag-aaral about guitar. We will study about guitar. First of all ay pag-aralan po muna natin about parts of the guitar which is called anatomy of the guitar. At ito ay madali lang po. Diyan po sa mga bago na nais pong matutong maggitara ay tamang-tama po sa iyo ang video na ito. Kaya ka po nariyan ngayon nanonood dahil para po sa iyo ang video na ito. Una po ang ating gagawin ay interest. Karoon tayo ng inspiration, tiyaga. Pinapauna natin ay tiyaga. At kailangan po ng yung dedication po natin. To this video po ay siyempre ang gagawin po muna natin ay bago po tayo mag-start humawak, mag-play ng gitara, meron po tayong mga step by step na dapat gawin muna para magkaroon po tayo ng foundation. Una po ay sa ating finger ay meron po tayong we have 10 fingers, left hand ay 5 fingers and right hand 10 fingers, but mostly na gagamit po ay left hand sa pagdiin po ng mga to touch the strings. It's called diin in the Filipino language. And to this video we will talk mixed language because we have viewers from different country, and our goal is to give you information and to teach you how to play guitar. And first of all, as I mentioned, una po ay cut natin ang nail natin sa finger. Kagaya po sa akin, pinutulan ko po. A while ago I cut my nail before I play this guitar. Ngayon po, after na makat po natin, after cutting the nail of our fingers, ay ready na po tayo na mag-study or alamin po yung mga step by step ng guitar. Ang guitar po ay una pong pag-aaralan natin para po magkaroon po tayo ng idea, to have an idea about the names of the parts of the guitars. First, number one is ito po, here, ang tawag po nito ay body. Ito po, body po ang tawag dito. To give us a clear information and to know what are the parts of the guitar. That's why we made this video to give you a info about the guitars. And this is body, number one. And number two is neck. Here it's called a neck of the guitar, neck. And number three is the headstock or headstock. What we call this headstock here, and dito po sa whole parts na to. And number 4 ay strings. Siyempre hindi po tayo makakapag guitar kagaya nito we cannot play guitar kung wala pong strings. Natural po ay may strings po. I'm just joking. Kaya yun po, kailangan kumpleto siya. Yan po yung number 4 natin, strings. And then in number 5, yan po yung frets. Frets. Alam niyo po yung frets, ito po yung tinatawag frets. This space, frets 1, frets 2, frets 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Dito po sa pang 12 ay ito po yung consider as number 1 kasi after from the knot, ito po yung knot dito ay ang count po nito 1 to 12, starting again from here. Kaya kung ang chords po natin dito ay A major, A apple, when we reach here 12 fret, this chords is also A apple. Dito po ay ganyan po yung position ng chords niya. This is for advanced information to those who are absolutely beginner, but I would like to illustrate here. That's why ang chords po rito ay ganito, because mayroon na po dito knot. Pag tinanggal po natin ito, if we remove this knot and then we will substitute our finger, but it's not possible dahil ito po yung naka-fix na dito. But for our information, our info ay yan po ay step by step natin po na i-explain para magkaroon po tayo ng clear idea about guitar. Yan po yung ano natin pang ano po natin dito sa neck. Kung paano ang frets po natin ay pang number 5, ito mga pagitan nito ay ang tawag po nito, these species are called frets up to here, the higher, from lower, and then if we bring it to down, but the the aspect of the guitar, the sound here is higher than here, E, and E also here, the higher sound. But hindi po natin, we will not discuss about the deeper chords, but I will discuss about the parts of the guitar which I've been said, anatomy of the guitar. Just like human being, there is an anatomy or our anatomy of the human being, just like guitar. Yan po, our number 5 is frets. And then number 6 is pig tuners. This 6 white, but my guitar is also, there are 5 only because the one is worn out and disconnect. There, but normally there are always a 6 tuner, and this tuner are called a pig's tuner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yan po ay ang tawag po nito, pig's tuner, na makakabuo po tayo ng magandang sound like this. Dahil dito po sa tuner. Kailangan magkaroon po ng harmonize yung mga guitar para maging maayos yung sound nila, maging tunog. At bago po natin pag-aralan kung anong mga string ito, ay I would like to complete our discussion here, the very basic. And number 6 is Pig's tuner. And also I've mentioned here nut, number 7. And number 8 here, I was mentioned a while ago. This species are called frets. There are it's depend of the guitar. There are long neck, and there are more species or frets. But this guitar is I think this is a medium medium guitar. But the most important, there are frets, and you can play chords in the midst of the frets, or between the frets. Yan po ay frets po yan. And number 9 are bridges. Here the parts of the guitar in the down ay, ang tawag po nito ay bridge. Yan po. Itong mga white or this whole parts is called bridge. Dito po natin nilalagay yung mga string natin. 1 string, 2 string, 4 string, 4 string, 5 string, 6 string. Bridge. We have bridge. And number 10 is the pick guard. This pick guard and the pick guard are more differently designed and colors. It's depend of you kung what color you want, and we can order this the store or the online. Yan po ay yan po yung mga parts ng guitars. And then to complete the parts of the guitars ay ay meron po tayong headstock. Yan po yung binanggit natin kanina. And capstan. Ang tawag po nito pala ay capstan or string post. Yan po, nalaman po natin ngayon na ito po ay string post capstan. And na-mention na po natin yung tuning pegs. Ito po ay there are more called the parts of here of the guitars. And neck, also neck, we mentioned. And position markers. This marker, color white, are called the position markers. Yan po. Position marker, we have a more position marker 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are called position marker. And then mayroon po tayong sound hole. Ito po ay sound hole ng guitar. Yung butas po natin. Ito po yung nagpipick up ng sound. If we play the string, and then papasok po siya doon. Kaya maririnig po natin yung magandang sound like this. That's a good sound. Yan po. Dahil dito po sa sound hole. And then also, we can add pick up, electric pick up to boost the sound of the guitar. If we have amplifier, preamp, ang tawag po ay preamp, amplifier for guitar, ay there are more variety of amplifier. There is amplifier for bass guitar, an electric guitar, and for piano, I believe the big amplifier for piano, and also this acoustic guitar. Ang tawag po nito ay acoustic guitar, and we can use this with a pick up electric guitar to enhance the sound, to boost the sound. Like this, we are using a pre-amplifier or amplifier. I am using amplifier to give a good sound like this. But pwede naman po wala din ang amplifier. Pwede rin namang wala to. Yan po ay just nami-mention lang po natin. And focus po tayo sa ating pinag-aaralan para before we proceed to basic chords, I would like to let us know na sa mga gustong, sabi ko nga, na matuto sa pag-guitar ay madali lang po. Kailangan lang talaga ng tiyaga, sabi niya. But ito po kung tayo po alam po natin yung mga parts ng guitar, the basic po ay the most important, the basic. Like guitar, yung mga galing na guitarist. Disclaimer lang po, ako po ay hindi professional po, hindi po ako nag-aaral sa school music, and ang aking pong tinuturo ay based lamang po sa aking pag-research and sa aking experience. Kaya nais ko lang po na i-share po sa atin lahat upang makatulong din po tayo doon sa mga nais na especially sa mga unang mga beginner na matutong mag-guitar, para makatulong po tayo. At sundan nyo lang po itong mga video natin upang makuha po natin ng thoroughly, makuha natin ng maayos yung step by step ng kung paano mag-guitar. Yan po ay sa ngayon po pinag-aaralan natin yung parts of the guitar because sabi ko nga ay ang basic po ay napakahalaga po nito. Kaya maraming gumagaling na maggitara dahil alam po nila yung foundation. The foundation ay tinatawag po itong basic. Like house. If we build the house, gaano man po katayog yan, how many stories the house was made or building habang tinatayo niyan. And then nag-start po yan sila sa basic, sa foundation. Kaya based on my experience po ay nakita ko po na napakalaga po ng foundation, basic. Hindi po tayo makakapag-grow, makapag-improve. Minsan mayroon pong mga tao, there are people that they know how to play guitar in advance. But mayroon pa rin pong kulang kung natuto sila doon sa mga advanced technique and hindi nila pinagdaanan yung basic, and lack pa rin, kulang pa rin sila sa idea. Kaya mas may balikan po muna yung basic upang magkaroon makumpleto yung idea. Yan po ay napakalaga po nun. But napakaigi nun na mga taong magagaling sa instrument, lalo sa guitar. But I believe dumaan sila sa basic process. Dahil wala pong biglaan na biglang gagaling kung hindi dadaan po sa basic. Yan po yung sound hole natin, yung dito po. And dito po ay may tawag din dito. Tinatawag po ito ay lower bout. Lower bout. Yan po. Kung paano ito ay body and then lower bout. Dito naman. Yan po ay mayroon din tinatawag waist dito, waist. Like a woman or a human being, we have waistline. And in the guitar naman ay tawag po dito ay waist niya, waistline. And ito po ay tawag po nito ay rosette. Rosette dito, itong line na to, circle, ang tawag po nito ay rosette. Yan po ay nalaman po natin na marami pong tawag pala nito. Rosette. Okay. Ngayon po ay alam po natin yung mga basic parts ng guitar or ang tawag sa mga parts ng guitar. At ang next naman po natin na pag-aaralan ay patungo po doon sa tawag nito sa mga string. Meron po tayong dito po sa taas, here on the top, ang tawag po nito ay E. Lower E string. E string. And then next, ito po yung sa alphabetical po ay yan po yung tawag sa kanya, E. Kumpletin po muna natin yung alphabetical chord of these strings. Sa top po ay E, lower E string, the bigger string. And then next string, dahil if we count these strings there are 6 string. From top 1, if we count this string 1, top 6 string, 2, or we start from 6 because ang tawag po nito ay from top to bottom ay from 6 to 1. Lower string E, 6, number 6 string. And then next string, number 5, ay ang tawag naman nito po ay A. A. Pasensya na po sa pronunciation kay halos the same lang yung pronounce, but A apple. I would like to clarify. A apple, the 5th string. Yan. And then next string ay D. Ito sa number 4. Ito po. Number 4, D string. And next string ay ito po, number dito pala sa sa D string ay number 4 dahil ang nagmumula po kasi sa taas 6, 5, 4. And the next string po ay number 3. Ito naman po yung ang tawag sa kanya alphabetical letter ay G. G string po ito sa number 4. And sa number 5 ay B string. Ito po B string. Dito po B string. And number 2 ito, number 2 dahil ang count natin from top to bottom, from higher number to lower number. Number 2 B string. And number 1 E string. E. eagle string. Eagle. A higher string, higher sound, like this. Yan po, ulitin po natin. If we count again from the bottom to the top. Number 1, E string. Number 2, B string. And number 4, G string. And number 6 ay number 3, G string. Number 4, D string. Here. Number 4. And number 5, A string. A apple. And then number 6 is E string. Eagle string. A. The lower sound. Yan po ay pag inulit natin ang bilang, if we count again from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sa number po, if we ang tawag doon, if we call numerical number from bottom to top, ay ang count po sa kanya ay 1 to 6. And then if kung atin po namang i-count siya as or alamin ng mga string na to ay from here, from not this is in net, from here or dito ay mayroon E string, or kaya dito E string number 6. Ulitin po natin. And A string sa number 5, and number 4 D string, and number 5 or number 3 G string, and number 2 B string, B, and number 1 E string. Ayan po, at thank you po sa panonood natin. Ako po ay subaybayan nyo po itong video natin, or panoorin nyo po ng maigi para matutunan po na ninyo upang mag-start po tayo sa basic. And then pag nakuha na po natin ang basic na ito ay continue until na matuto po tayo. Ayan, next video po natin, abangan po natin. And mayroon po tayong mga information na maraming matutunan dito sa ating mga video. And tutok lang po tayo. Salamat po, at huwag po nating kalimutan mag-subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share our video to others or to our loved ones. To those who are interested to know how to play music, especially guitar, piano, or whatever. But our lesson today to this video ay guitar. Kaya just focus guitar, and then one day ay talagang matutunan yun ng husto at magiging kagaya kayo sa mga magaling na mga guitarist. Thank you to all of you. Thank you for watching. God bless you.